वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
We are Indian Muslims and we categorically reject Pakistan's recent attempt to target Indian Muslims by repeatedly invoking the two-nation theory of hide its illegal actions. In 1947, we consciously chose India as our country, not out of compulsion, but because of our faith and principles. When India became independent, it established itself as a secular democracy, a country where people of every religion, including Muslims, got equal rights and respect. Our elders chose to stay in India rather than go to Pakistan because they believed in the idea of India, and our faith has only grown stronger. Today, in 2025, Pakistan's attempt to divide us again in the name of Jinnah is not just a misrepresentation of history, but also a deep insult to crores of Indian Muslims. To assume that we have gone astray or that our loyalty is in doubt is wrong. We are neither in the wrong place nor in the wrong mind. We are Indians, pro and pro from land to conscience. We do not need to prove anything. We have always done our duty by standing with this country. In war, in peace, and in every process of democracy. The old broken ideology of a country like Pakistan means nothing to us. Indian Muslims stand shoulder to shoulder with their Hindu, Sikhs, Christian, Jain, Buddhist, Parsi and other religious brothers and sisters, united, strong and dedicated to India. If Pakistan wages war against India, we Indian Muslims will stand in the forefront of face the enemy and root it out. Our identity is Indian, our allegiance is to the Constitution of India and our resolve is firm. It is not Pakistan's old divisive ideology that defines us, it is India that defines us. Therefore, we want to tell the half-baked undemocratic government of Pakistan. The Pakistan army which works like hired killers and broker types establishment that we have demanded from our government that it should attack the world's biggest terrorist nation, which was formed on the basis of religion and divided on the basis of language, and wipe it out from existence in this step every Muslim of India who lives by the principles of his forefathers and has the spirit of dying for India. He is always standing with the Indian government and the Indian army to sacrifice his life and property. In the Indian government takes any step for the unity, integrity, sovereignty and honor of India. Then the Sufi Khanka Association, the leading organization of Sufis of the country, is with the democratically elected parliament and the government of the country. Jai Hind.